And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold has already made a new high, okay, and we have not seen that there is a very sharp movement upside, but the price has already made a half around 2817. If you look at this particular chart, chances was very high that if the price again started going below a level of around 2800, then we can see the price can move towards $2790, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2786, and then the next support coming at a level of around $2758. These are the strong supports we can see. So we can see a bounce back can come from these particular levels, or if it started falling below that particular level, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, understand that the price, if it started falling below this particular level, these are the supports. So you have to understand that once the price started falling below these levels, okay, then after this level 2086, we can see a level 2758, and then from there we can see a further downfall towards we can see towards 40 also. Okay, these are the supports, so you have to understand. Okay, now if the price started going above this particular level, that means what is trading now, if it started going above this level, the next resistance we can see coming at a level of 2816, and once the price started going up this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, what I would suggest you, that if you are on the plus side, that means if you have profit, try to trail the SL and capture the profit. Okay, and when you start your trade, try to start your trade with SL, so your capital will be saved. Okay, now once you start coming on the profit zone, so trail your SL by, you can say, 5 to trail your SL by $5 to $7. Okay, what will happen, that the movement, if it started in this zone, so you can capture a big movement towards high side, but if the volatility is high, you can increase your SL as well as target. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now if we look at the dollar index, we can see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $108.501. Okay, and chances can be high, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, this is the level we have seen, so chances are very high that if the price started going above this particular level, there is a chances that we can see a further upside movement in the dollar index. Okay, and when the dollar index started going upside, I have already explained you that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is how we have seen the market. Okay, now understand this is the clear U pattern is forming. So once started going 108.5, we can see a level of 109 to a level of 109.5, and once started sustaining of this level, it will cross a level of $110.2 and then further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come again towards a level of $108.1. Okay, and then from there a further fall we can see towards 107.7, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 107. Okay, and this is the zone. So once started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 106.7 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so a further downfall we can see towards 105.5, and then a further fall we can see towards $104.6. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price, let's see how the price now trading at a level of 2797. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a chances that it can go towards a level of $2820, which is high of yesterday's what we have seen. Okay, and then once the price started moving above that particular level, chances of crossing a level of 2830 we can see, and then to a level of 2850. Okay, so you can trail your SL by $5 or $7 depending on your risk ability. Okay, now if you trail your SL, you can capture that the price, if it started going above this level, you can capture a big movement. So if it turns back, then you can get towards downside. So if the price started going above this level, it will cross a level of 2860, and from there a level of 2870 also we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around 27,790, we can see a bounce back can come. But if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going towards its next support at 2763 will be there. This is a support 1. Okay, this is the support 1, this is the support 2, and if it started falling below that particular level, after crossing a level of 27.58.63, we can see a level of $27.53. And if it started falling below that particular level, we can see a level of $27.28. Okay, and if that didn't sustain a further downfall, we can see then the price can move towards a level of $27.26. And if started going below that level, we can see it will fall further down towards a level of around 27.26 to a level of $26.91. Okay, after $27.23, chances of going below a level of 2700 will be there, and then it can touch a level of around $26.71 of $74, then to a level of $26.64. Okay, so you have to understand that if the price started going below this zone, then only we can see a further fall. Okay, so suppose if the price started falling with 2700, we can see a level of 2686, and then to a level of 2672, and then to a level of 2664, and from there it will move towards 2642, because 2664 is already being tested, so chances of falling further will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.